Creating UGC ads usually takes weeks, but with this tool, you can generate them with a few clicks in minutes. Let me show you how it works.
First thing you need to do is choose your actor, then you upload a product image, then you write the name of the product, you press the auto write script button, which basically generates you a key selling point and a call to action for the actor to advertise your product. Then you just press generate and you wait for as many minutes as it will take. You can see on the meter showing how much it will take to generate.
Bro, if your protein's still clumpy after shaking, it's not the protein, it's your shaker. Look at this, mixes completely smooth every time. No clumps, no leaks, nothing. If you're drinking protein every day, get yourself a proper shaker like this.
Here I'm gonna show you another example. You choose your actor, for example, Sarah. You upload a product image, which is this ring. You write a product name for it, an elegant ring. You press the auto script button. You get your key selling point section and your call to action generated by the AI. And then you just press generate, create my ad basically. And you just sit, go grab a coffee, as the instructions say, and wait till you get the made UGC ad ready in a few minutes. When you come back, you can check out again how the ad was.
I've been wearing this ring almost every day lately because it's simple but still looks really elegant. It goes with basically everything. If you like minimal jewelry like this, you should definitely check it out.
Here I'll show you my ads section where all of your generations are stored.
I've been wearing this ring.
You can see
Soft and
some of the
refreshed.
commercials I've made from my account to test how they look. You can see there is a credit section where you can see the memberships, how many ads you get per your current membership. You can go to the Ultra Pack for around 10 generations. You can go to the Pro Pack for 5. And basically most of those generations will be ready to upload ad. Here you can see the examples.
All the time, even after a long and tiring day at work. If you want to stay fresh, try it yourself.
Need a boost without the sugar crash? Monster Ultra gives you energy and flavor without the guilt. Perfect for your busy day. Try it today and unleash your inner monster.
Hey parents, want to give your little ones a tasty treat that's nutritious? Bio baby snacks are organic and perfect for tiny hands. Grab a pack today and let your baby snack happy.